I'm at McDowell Homes in Solon, socially distant, and I'm joined by realtor Courtney Hatfield. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you for having me.
So I am excited to talk with you because it's been a crazy past year. Even the real estate business has changed, obviously. But before we get into all that, tell me a little bit about you and your group.
So I am the president of your HomeCourt Team. We are growing by leaps and bounds. We're a new team. We started last year, but I'm really excited for our future, especially here at McDowell. McDowell is one of the fastest growing independently owned brokerages in Northeast Ohio, and they give us the tools just to succeed. And I'm very fortunate to be growing here.
That's so exciting. So I know you have some big news.
I do, but I'm gonna wait.
Okay,
wait until the end.
So before we get to the big news, how can people get in contact with you and your team?
So we're on all social media platforms. Instagram, Facebook. I love the TikTok, but it's your HomeCourt Team. HomeCourt, one word.
Okay, well, there's definitely a need for a seller's market. So tell us why.
Well, right now, inventory is just so low. Buyers are having the hardest time. Once you make an offer, the home is gone and you're up against multiple offers. With interest rates being so low, with the inventory being so low, we just have such a demand for sellers.
And quite a demand, there's a 9-day cashback guarantee,
Yes.
which is pretty crazy.
So McDowell offers a 90-day cashback guarantee, but right now we have slashed that to 9 days. If we can't get your property under contract in 9 days, we'll offer you cash at closing.
McDowell's Homes, I mean, since we've started talking, you guys have just grown, like you said, by leaps and bounds. So tell us a little bit about how much you've grown.
McDowell began in 2015, which is 3 agents. They did 16 million in sales. Last year, we had 90 agents, and we did 228 million in sales.
That is amazing.
We have doubled every single year, and I don't see it slowing down anytime soon.
So in your opinion, why? I mean, what makes you so successful here?
Well, like I said, we are one of the fastest growing independently owned brokerages. We are owned and located right here in Northeast Ohio, and we put all the money right back into the community. And I think people take note. Instead of having a brokerage out of state, it's nice to be right here.
Absolutely. Okay, well, everyone's waiting for the big news, Courtney.
Okay, so I'm super excited. We are actually expanding and opening an office down in Akron. That's where I'm from. I live in the Akron-Canton area, and we are opening later this month, and I'm super, super excited to service that area.
That is wonderful. And I can see just how you're talking, that you're passionate about what you do. So what made you want to get into
real estate?
Yeah.
So real estate was it's a family decision, and it's just something that I'm so happy that I fell into and I love. It's my passion. I have an entrepreneurial mindset, and so it just works.
Now, you offer so many services here at McDowell Homes.
We do.
Do you want to get into that a little bit for us?
Sure. One of the most amazing, aside from the now 90-day cashback guarantee, we have a Matterport. And a Matterport is like a 3D virtual tour. When we list your home, we will go into your home and it's as if you're actually walking through. It's amazing.
It's really cool.
Yeah,
It's really cool.
You can put 3D goggles on and do the virtual reality, and it's as if you're already there.
What do you think really, at the end of the day, separates you from the other real estate companies out there?
I think because we are technology driven, and I feel like we're ahead of the times with that.
Courtney, thank you so much, and congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm so excited for you.
Thank you.
Okay, and for everybody at home, you can just go to mcdhomes.com for more information. Thank you.
Thank you.